use jungle samples but make it more micro-funky. And without processing, it's just a jungle break. There is also a delay on this synth, and I recorded a modulation of the time parameter, so it sounds like a pitch fluctuation. It's a nice way to add some human touch. One of my favorite plugins is called Digitalis. My favorite presets I use most often is huge spaces. Yeah, and the phase is automated to create this kind of flanger type of effects. Rumble of Ancient Times, cool 8-bit drone synthesizer. Here I actually just use it as a sample, just as a layer for the bassline. I really like wobble delay, so it's basically modulation of the pitch for the feedback. And it's really easy to use, like a dupe techno chord here with a really big reverb. Up to 6 both channels. Then I just, send them through the mixer and like just balance things out, maybe do a little bit of EQ here and there.